Hello friend, welcome to my channel Utpal. This video I'm going to show it you how can I make this type of Photoshop special effect on Photoshop. Using Photoshop, how can easily can make this type of special effect on Photoshop. So you can use it on your wedding album or etc. Any things you want to do. So see how I have done this type of process in Photoshop. So before I jump into the video, if you are first time tuning this channel, make sure to subscribe and if you like this video or dislike, please hit the icon. So go to the file, clicking on the file icon and go to the computer storage here. I'm going to find out a portrait. For this one I want to show you in front of you how I have done this. So I'm selecting a portrait for this on. Okay, I'm finding out a special portrait for this to show you. Be patient with me, I will show you. Okay, so just before a few minutes ago that I have downloaded a portrait from unsplash.com site. Now the portrait is looks perfect. So this type of portrait you can easily find out. I have already shared with the idea how where you can get the portrait like unsplash and the pixabay. You can find more of your portrait. You can use it more easily and conveniently on Photoshop. So after opening this the portrait, thereafter I copy this the uh, portrait. Just simply Ctrl J while pressing the in your keyboard, you get a second copy. So then I go to the file. Here you can click check the adjustment. So then get to replace color. Replace color. When you click on the replace color, here you can see the three pointer here. Here is the first one, and the second one is plus icon, and the third one is a minus icon. The thing is that how this work, like you can easily manage and replace any color through the name. You can understand what is the concept of this special option like replace color. So replace color basically do is like the work like this. If you see here is a color plate. When you pressing the this color, selecting the icon, when you clicking the in anywhere of the image, the particular color is selected. When you picking the color of red, so its red particular area will be selected. And the thing is that when you selecting this type of any of a color, you according you want to change. Thereafter you want add more color, like this color is not the perfect the same color, like the skin around everywhere is the a bit different color. So you need to pick it here, somewhere here, here, here. You can easily manage to tell Photoshop that picking that color also is a scheme. So you all the way down the saturation here, so you can understand easily manage for this. I also resetting this, so I going to show you again. I am clicking the alt key through this. You can see that reset button is automatically reset will be here is a reset button is will be open when you alt pressing on your keyboard reset. Now it's perfectly the same one before I have not done anything. So all the way I'm downing the saturation here. Now I'm picking the color of it here. Just zoom in also, you can through the space but you can manage to move around. So I'm picking this skin tone I want to change. Okay, now you can see this I mean that the all the way the color is the skin tone is removed, like it's a black and white. Now you want to add some more color from here, like the skin tone. You want to add more color like skin tone, so you can easily choose to here or here. You can tell Photoshop that I want to put this color on to also be include this color. Now if you the color is very much taking away, so that's the way you can on things to do. Minus, select the minus, subtract from the sample, so you can put it here, so it reverse back the color. Okay, after you are I mean happy with the result, thereafter you can check the OK mark I'm happy with this the result whatever done Photoshop. Now I am pressing OK to saying Photoshop this is perfect. I can go with that. So now it's okay, it is done. Now we can check it through the pressing the alt key through your keyboard how it is changed. If you are making perfect selection like the way, so you can also get the perfect result. So I want to forget to show you one more thing that I'm deleting this one. Just stay with me friends, sometimes I forget to show you like many things to what to show you. I want to show you, but sometimes I miss that. So I repeat it again. Point of view, so adjustment layer and thereafter replace color. So all the way I downing the saturation. Now I picking the color the skin tone, and is the skin tone is perfect. Now I'm going to do here like here you can see the control fuzziness, how much fuzziness you can take it. Also you can adjust it here. So that's the things I want to show you. The fuzziness you can control according fuzziness, and picking the color of here that is skin is too much, taking away the color I think is perfect. And the fuzziness you can make it control of it over here through the slider key. You can left right you can understand how it's working. And if the color is too much taking away, so that is the option the minus key, so that it's going to be get back the color again. Okay, okay, minus. Okay, I think I'm happy with the result, so I'm pressing OK for this. Okay, just a minute to let the Photoshop run to the process. Now it's perfect. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do here, let's see what we can do next thing. Okay, now we are adding a perfect black and white, I mean this upon the image on top of the layer. We making a new layer of the gradient map. We can making it to the gradient map. Now I am selecting the basic of it here. If we are using the latest version same as mine, you can get the same, I mean the option. You can see it here. You can see the black and white. Okay, so you can manage it as gradient map through. If you're going to have to double click on that, you can see the how can make it black and white all the way down to the this here is the black completely, and this slider is the all the way is the white slider. So this is perfect black and white portrait you can get right now. So next things we're going to do here. Now we're changing the blending mode of it. So click on the blending mode of it. Now go to the all the way down. You can get luminosity. So click on the luminosity. So see, let's see what have change I've made for this. If you are up turn down the eyeball up here, so you can see what is done. You can see that you get a more contrast of it, all the way on a black and white the image, all the contrast. Like I am turn off the eyeball of it, the gradient map, and turn on the gradient map. Now you can see that the more shine of the image you can get through the gradient map. Okay, now it's have done. Now I'm going to do, I am going to selecting both the layer, the this one and the top of the gradient map, selecting through the shift key and control E. It's I'm merging the layer. Now it's merged. Now second copy of that, control J. I'm sorry guys for the background noise, like you know that I have some background noise all around, so reason I'm sorry. I hope that I will manage sometimes later to be uh, a noiseless position I can record my video. Sorry for that. You can try to adjust this. So now I'm going to do like I can make a I can go to the filter. I'm making a high pass of it, others and high pass. Go to the high pass, and you radius you make it all the way. You can see the portrait a little bit. So I think 3 is the perfect radius for my this portrait 3. I'm choosing 3. You can choose a different number, but 3 is the perfect one. If your I mean that image resolution is too good, so you can use it I mean increase the size, the radius of it. So try different shade. The thing is that here it is the you can see the all the way the on your eye the portrait a little bit you can see when the portrait you need to click in OK. So I'm clicking OK. Thereafter I changing the blending mode of it here. I choosing this vivid light. OK, choosing in vivid light. So what is the things is changed here this portrait you can see easily. I'm showing you what is have changed. When you turn off the eyeball of it here, you can see so much blur of it. You can see it's not looking the uh, clarity. It's have no clarity when you're clicking on the eyeball. Now it's so much clear the portrait. So I'm going to masking that. I want to shine of this this the jewelry of this item. So I don't want to shine every full upper body. So that's the way I can easily can mask it through the alt key pressing the keyboard. I clicking on mask item. So add a layer mask is I'm getting the automatically selected mask thumbnail with the black color field. So now black color what will do black color all the way is hide the all the things that is vivid lights already showing front of the image. Now we need to reveal some of the area. There's we can do through picking the brush B for brush tool. And now you paint of the area the jewelry area you want to reveal and get more shine of there. So I am this is the property panel. I have selected the size is the 100%, everything opacity is 100%, flow is 100% all the way 100%. Now we're painting it ever. You can easily control of your brush through bracket key of your keyboard. On your keyboard you can see. And now you can see that when you painting it over, and you can see easily that here is the painting is the white parts is revealing. So you can get more shine. You can see through your eyes. Now it's more shining the jewelry. This is the way process you can make. Continue to watch with me. You get to know more. I will show you more, friends. Just stay with me. Make sure to if you are like this video or liking this video. If you are not, please dislike also. I get to know that about if you are not like and not happy with me. So I get a idea so that I can manage to help myself. Please help me for this, friend. I want to know. Please let me know what your comments and section you please ask me to do. So I will answer every comment you are asking to me. I will answer it. Try to answer. Absolutely, I will answer. Now I can increase the size of brush of it. Increasing size of the brush, so I can easily manage to do it. Okay, okay. You can make it smaller when you need to small the brush. Okay, so now I want to shine her eyebrows also. Now increase the size of it. Sorry, reduce the size of it. And I also this want to be more shine, and the eyeball I need more shine. Okay, you can see how perfect is this. Now you can see the portrait is look amazing. I hope you are happy with the result. I have done this. Please follow along with me, and what I have done in this video, particular step by step, follow the process. If I hope this will help you and to understand what is the concept. This the process. It's lots of use of wedding albums making. If you are wedding album designer, so this case it might be help you, not might be help you. It's going to be help you most of the way. You would like to know that's how this process is done. So I hope this video would helpful for you. And if you are any question regarding this video and not understand, please ask me to. And make sure to please comment your my comment section. If you like or not like this video, dislike it. Whatever your comment, please make a comment and hit the like button or dislike button. I would like to from you, I like to hear from you. I will show you more options later, and I will continue to video uploading these channels regularly, so please subscribe. And till then, keep creating, keep learning. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you, you're amazing.